I just got this HP OfficeJet Pro 9135E printer for my husband's home office, and so far we are really enjoying it. The setup was really easy. All you have to do is download the HP Smart app and follow the instructions from there. And once you have the printer connected to your network, you can see all the things you can do through the app. Here is the display. It is colorful, easy to use, and if you want to print from mobile, it's really easy as well. Just follow the steps shown here. And here you can see or listen to what it sounds like. It prints quickly and efficiently and clearly. I really like the clarity of what is printed. The colors are spot on and the black ink comes out really clear. So I would recommend this printer 100%.